It happened to be a what? A closet. I'm walking along the streets of Sukhumvit, just humming along listening to some great tunes, going to meet a friend as I was walking from Chongnonsi BTS to Sukhumvit Soi 39. Yes, that is quite the distance. On this walk I discovered such a cool restaurant snugged in an unassuming corner of Soi 23. I actually had a double, well a triple take to read what the name of this place was, and I was like, what? I even stepped in to politely ask, what is the actual name of this place, and they said it twice. It happened to be a closet. When you walk into the restaurant, it's an eclectic collection of some really cool pieces of thingamabobs. I mean, books stacked on the table, swans when you enter the place, with little animal figurines on books, cool decor got me the vibes all happening, plus so much more. The closet is actually upstairs, and it is where the Thai owner, designer has her creative and amazing designs for people to come. Her dines are one of a kind, and trust me, you will go nuts. One of the managers, took us upstairs and shared the history of this unique restaurant. While we sat upstairs and lounged in the closet, they served us these amazing cocktails. Tastefully delicious, just like the rest of the dinner we were about to be served. Spectacular cocktails and a huge selection of wines to pair with the dishes. This charcoal bread and bruschetta was specially made for our enjoyment. These starters were delicious and we wanted to jump in to eat them all, but realized very quickly to save our appetite for the incredible dinner which was going to be served to us. We needed to pace ourselves. Sautéed mushroom compote with the garnished butter was very hearty. I mean, who doesn't like a dish of a combination of different mushrooms? Served with garlic bread, these mushrooms were prepared with gracious serving size. All of the dishes here I noticed were quite full and filling. Roasted cheesy cauliflower was a hit for appetizers. I mean, this could be a meal on its own. The generous serving size with heaps of cheesy goodness, this was a favorite dish for all of us. We truly enjoyed the strings of cheese stretching all the way to Sunday. It was not overly seasoned but very refreshing. One thing to note here is that the owner picks out everything, the dishes, to the decor, and it is very suited to the entire atmosphere. Make sure you take a note of these minor details which make this place very uncommon. This summer salad with the grilled fish was unbelievable. The fish was very light and crispy. The citrus fruit in the salad mixed added such a summer flavorful flair. It happened to be a closet, definitely outdid themselves in the presentation and the mix of ingredients. The owner, who is a true artist, sketches the dishes that she thinks of, then the chefs prepare the sketch. This very concept is unheard of. I found this overall fascinating and creative. It makes me want to bring out my talents and begin to use my imagination, which has been buried deeply during this COVID time. Thank you. Oh la la. The spicy angel hair pasta wrapped protectively around the lobster was truly scrumptious. I loved the decorative plate, the way the food is displayed and served. The taste is unmatched. You know when you go to a restaurant and everything tastes the same? Well, not here. It happened to be a closet is continually creating new and amazing recipes, so make sure you get there and savor every bite and morsel they serve. We were pushing our tummy limits on this one. The lamb chops came out, and whilst it looked like a heap of yumminess, it was simply garnished and very well spiced. The rosemary hints, the olives delicately sprinkled, and the roasted garlic was an amazing combination. Just when we thought we were done, they outdid themselves on this dish. There was definitely no room for dessert, but we just couldn't help ourselves, so we ordered a blueberry-topped cheesecake and double dark chocolate deliciousness. Indulged. YOLO. You only live once. The food quality, the ingredients, the display, and the complete ambience of this restaurant is an experience. There is a swimming pool. If you'd like, you can bring your swimming suit and lounge around the pool with a cocktail before your dinner is served. You can also go upstairs and browse around the closet, because it happened to be a closet, and purchase any of her incredible designer one-of-a-kind outfits. Thank you to the staff who really prepared such wonderful dishes for us to devour, and for who took the time and explained the amazing details on It Happened to Be a Closet. There is so much behind the scenes. A joyful experience to come here with family and friends any time of the week. Make sure you book as they get filled up quickly. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/itshappened to be close it 23